Hello everyone, and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I will show you the fastest way to log into your Telegram on a computer by using a simple QR code method. So for this to work, you will need both your computer and your phone with Telegram already logged in. So it's a super easy task, and it'll just take a few seconds. So without wasting more time, let's jump right in. First, we need to get the QR code that appears on your computer screen. So, on your laptop or PC, simply open your preferred web browser. And then in the address bar at the top, simply type the official Telegram web website, which is www.web.telegram.org, and hit enter. Now, simply go to Telegram Web, which is the first link. This will immediately load the Telegram Web login page, and you will see a large black and white QR code right in the middle of the screen. Now, we will leave this on the screen and grab our phone for the next step. So once you pick up the phone, simply open the Telegram app. And then we need to find the QR code scanner, which is located in the Devices section. So here is what you have to do. First, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left-hand corner of your Telegram app.
And here, simply tap on Settings. Now, in the Settings menu, simply scroll down a bit and look for an option called Devices. Simply click on that option. Then, tap on Link Desktop Device option. Then, allow the necessary permissions for the camera. And now, a scanner will appear in front of you. So, wait for a few seconds, and the scanner will automatically appear in front of you. And as you can see, the scanner is now active. So now, simply scan the QR code, and then you should be good to go. And as you can see, the moment it recognizes it, you will see the Telegram app on your computer or browser automatically log in and start loading in all the chats from your phone. So that's it. You are logged in to Telegram Web without having to type your phone number or any verification code. So it's the quickest and easiest way to access your chats on your computer. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.